Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell the geometrical meaning of the zeros of linear, quadratic and cubic polynomials. So the first one is linear polynomials. We know that the degree of a linear polynomial is 1 and the number of zeros of a linear polynomial is number of points that the graph intersects the x-axis. So we know that the graph of a linear polynomial is a straight line. For example, see here this is a linear polynomial x is equal to 3. So it intersects the x-axis at only one point. So number of zeros of this polynomial, linear polynomial is only 1 0. And here also the linear polynomial intersects the x-axis at only one point. So number of zeros here also it is 1 0. And here the linear polynomial y is equal to 2 is parallel to x-axis and it does not intersect the x-axis. So here the number of zeros is no zeros, and here also the linear polynomial intersects the x-axis at only one point. So here also the number of zeros is only 1 0. And in this graph also the linear polynomial intersects the x-axis at this point at only one point. So the number of zeros is 1 0. Here also the number of zero is 1 0 because it intersects the x-axis at only one point. Next, for quadratic polynomial, we know that the degree of a quadratic polynomial is 2. For example, x square minus 6x plus 9, this is a quadratic polynomial. And here number of zeros of a quadratic polynomial is number of points as the graph intersects the x-axis. So here the shape of a quadratic polynomial is parabola. See here all these shapes, these are the shapes of quadratic polynomials. And for the first example, here the quadratic polynomial intersects the x-axis at 2 points. See here. So here the number of zeros is 2 zeros, and here also the quadratic polynomial intersects the x-axis at 2 points here and here. So the number of zeros is 2 zeros. Here the quadratic polynomial intersects the x-axis at only one point. See here. So here the number of zeros is only 1 0. And here the quadratic polynomial does not intersect the x-axis at any point. So here the number of zeros is no zeros. Next, in this graph, the polynomial intersects the x-axis at 2 points. So here 2 zeros, number of zeros is 2. And here also number of zeros is 2. And here there is only 1 0. And here the polynomial does not intersect the x-axis. So here the number of zeros is no zeros. Next one is a cubic polynomial. We know that the degree of a cubic polynomial is 3. For example, 2x cube plus 6x square minus 4x plus 9. And number of zeros of a cubic polynomial is number of points as the graph intersects the x-axis. So here for the cubic polynomial, the graph is not a standard shape. See here all these examples. So here the cubic polynomial intersects the x-axis at 3 points. See here 1, 2 and 3. So number of zeros here is 3 zeros, and here it intersects at 2 points. So number of zeros is 2 zeros. And in the third example, it intersects at 2 points here and here. So number of zeros is 2 zeros. And here it intersects at only one point. So number of zeros is only 1 0. Now I am going to tell the solution of first problem from exercise 2.1 from polynomials from NCERT class 10. The graphs of y is equal to p of x are given below. For some polynomials p of x, find the number of zeros of p of x in each case. So in the first graph, here the polynomial which does not intersect the x-axis at any point. So here there are no zeros, as the graph does not intersect the x-axis at any point. In the second figure, here in this graph, so this graph intersects the x-axis at only one point. So the number of zeros is 1 as the graph intersects the x-axis at one point. In the third graph, the graph intersects here the polynomial intersects the x-axis at 3 points. So here 1, 2, 3, the number of zeros is 3 as the graph intersects the x-axis at 3 points. And in the fourth graph, here the polynomial intersects the x-axis at 2 points, here 1 and 2. So the number of zeros is 2 as the graph intersects the x-axis at 2 points. And in the fifth graph, here the polynomial intersects the x-axis at 4 points, 1, 2, 3, 4 points. So the number of zeros is 4 as the graph intersects the x-axis at 4 points. And in the last figure, here in this graph, here the polynomial intersects the x-axis at 1, 2, 3 points. So here the number of zeros is 3 as the graph intersects the x-axis at 3 points. Please do this practice worksheet. And here are the answers.